In the previous episode, we made this incredible utility soy sauce. This versatile utility soy sauce can be used in many different recipes. And today we're going to cover 3 more quick and easy recipes using this utility soy sauce. Let's begin. Okay, the first recipe is the quick and easy noodle dish using the leftover vegetables from the fridge. Half the bok choy, remove the cores, and then cut them into strips. We don't need a whole bell pepper for this recipe, so we're just going to use top and bottom part. Just cut them off and then cut them into thin strips. For oyster mushrooms, you're going to cut them into similar sizes as other vegetables. We're going to use both white and green part of a scallion. Just cut them into rounds. And you'll need a quarter of a chili. Simply slice it in an angle. If you keep the utility soy sauce in the fridge overnight, you will see this thick layer of fat on top. Just skim it off. And for this recipe, we're going to use Taiwanese wheat noodles. Oil on a pan and start with the mushrooms. And you can add the bell pepper pretty much the same time. Once you see the oils getting bubbly, add the chili. Sweat the vegetables on medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of the utility soy sauce with the meat, and at the end, add the bok choy. Blanch the wheat noodles in hot water for 5 minutes and then add to the pan. Add a little bit of starchy water. Bring them all together by stir-frying it. Super simple plating. Add the noodles first and then all the other ingredients around and on top of the noodles. Garnish with scallion rounds, sesame seeds, and a drizzle of sesame oil on top. Quick and easy noodle dish. Done. The next recipe is the Asian version of patatas bravas, which is Spanish tapas. We need chopped parsley and boil the fingerling potato and cool it down, and then smash them with your hands. Heat up your pan on medium-high heat with oil on, and then you're going to add the potatoes and build a crust. Flip the potatoes and brown the other side as well. And then you're going to add dry chili powder, minced garlic, and a tablespoon of butter. And don't forget the flavor-packed utility sauce. Stir fry and coat all the surfaces. And add some chopped parsley. Now let's plate. Stack the smashed potatoes on top of each other. And add this flavorful meat sauce. Slice some cheese on top. And finish with ground black pepper. Amazing Asian fusion potato tapas. Done. On a dry pan, start with the chili powder and black pepper and toast them. After a minute, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Sweat the small diced onions and some scallion rounds at the same time. Add sliced red chili and some diced bell peppers. Sweat everything for about 1 minute on high heat. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of the meat sauce and add some tofu cubes. For this one, I'm using the firm type. Half cup of water in. Bring everything to a boil and add garlic and a mix of cornstarch and water. Simmer for 1 minute and then it's done. Set up a bed of rice. Cover half of the rice with the tofu. Garnish with scallion rounds, sesame seeds, and some crispy onions. Super easy rice and tofu dish. Done. Okay, that's it for today, and in the next episode we're going to cover more recipes using this utility soy sauce. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much and see you next time.